Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today is a day to see if blondes really do have more fun. So guess what? We're off today for a cut and color. We'll see how long it takes to become a natural blonde. So as you can see, I've got a lot of root growth. This is either 6 or 7 weeks, I'm not really sure. And my hair just needs a cut. When you have short hair, you've got high maintenance on how often you have to cut. How often you have to cut it. So let's head off to the salon and let's see how quickly we can do all of this. Hey guys, we're here at the salon and Pat's in the back mixing up my bleach. She's got my hair parted and ready to go. So just for a time check, it is 11:25. So we'll time the whole process and we'll see how long it takes. So here we go. We'll check back in when she starts putting the bleach on my hair. So here we are. We just started. Pat's putting the bleach on my hair. We love Pat, by the way. She's not going to talk because she said she doesn't want her voice on camera. So, but she is going to giggle, right? So we're going to respect that.
There you go.
So basically, hi guys. So we're almost done. See what it looks like. Just finishing up. And then after this, it's just going to be a lot of sitting and waiting. So we'll check back in. Okay, so here we are. We're a full head of bleach on the roots. So I think I sit for about 45 minutes and then we rinse it off and then we go to the second part of the process. So we'll check back in a little bit. Okay, so this is phase 2 where we put the toner on. You can see it's already turning purple. It's processing. This was what will make me not yellow and make me platinum. Which, you know, Pat was a little surprised when I wanted to be platinum a couple months ago, but now we're happy, right, Pat?
Now we're very happy.
We love
You
it.
look beautiful.
And Donna's over there. Okay, people, it's time for the cut. There's Donna. With her amazing laugh. So we settled on a little bit of a new haircut today. So we shall see what we end up with. Here we go. People, don't try this at home.
Do not use texturizers.
Do not use texturizing scissors on a normal head of hair.
Especially fine hair.
Not a good idea. Okay, people, there we go. Donna's going to do a twirl so that we could see the back. Yeah, it looks great. There you go.
Very versatile haircut.
3.5 hours later. And here we are. Here's the finished product after almost 3.5 hours at the salon. Now you all can see fresh off the bleach, as it were. But now you know how long it takes to become a platinum blonde, a blonde in general, when you're not really a blonde. But most importantly, my roots are done. Although I do like a little root sometimes, but that's the finished product. I'm happy with it. It'll last me for another 6 or 7 weeks, and then we'll be back at it all over again. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you on the next round. Bye-bye.